What's the definition? Supplier risk evaluation is a structured process used to assess supplier reliability, identify potential risks, and ensure supply chain stability. What's the process? Let's break it down into 6 basic steps. Step 1. Evaluation criteria definition. Key risk factors are defined, including financial stability, quality performance, compliance, and supply chain resilience. Step 2. Supplier data collection. Relevant data is gathered from audits, performance reports, financial records, and historical trends. Step 3. Risk assessment and scoring. Each supplier is evaluated based on predefined risk criteria, and a risk score is assigned using methods like risk matrices or FMEA. Step 4. On-site audit execution. If needed, an on-site audit is conducted to verify processes, assess capabilities, and validate compliance with requirements. Step 5. Identified risk mitigation. Corrective actions are implemented to address high-risk areas, including process improvements, enhanced controls, or alternative sourcing strategies. Step 6. Periodical monitoring and review. Supplier performance and risk levels are continuously tracked through audits, scorecards, and feedback loops to ensure long-term stability. That's it. Thanks for watching.